Hi everyone. Today I would like to show you how to use an inline if statement. So I'm going to write a small program that validates if a player's age is within the required age to play for under 14 team. Rules to validate are as follows. If the age of the player is less than or equals to 14, you will be allowed to play for under 14 team, else you are not allowed to play. So I'm gonna start by basically declaring two integer variables. The first variable is to store the player's age. The second variable is to store the required age. So within my main method, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna say int player age. I'm gonna initialize it to say int required age. I'm gonna initialize it to 14. So these are my two variables. Then what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna first by showing you how to use a traditional if statement, which looks like this: if else. So this is the traditional way writing a conditional statement. This is the format. So inside here, that's where you're gonna put your condition to check, and then if this condition is met, and then gonna display display um display something here, and if the condition is false, meaning it's not met, we're going to display something here. So let me just put my condition here. So what I want to do is I want to say if the player age, which is 13, if 13 is less than or equals to required age, then I want to say here you are allowed to play. And if now the player age is greater than 14, then I will display you are not allowed to play. So just run my program. Right now the age is 13, so it means I'm expecting to see you are allowed to play. It means the program needs to go inside this. So now I'm gonna run it. So you can see under my console, on the console, it shows that the program went inside here. Then I'm gonna increase the age to 15 and run it. Then you can see that the program went to the else part, which says that you are not allowed to play. Then now you can see the traditional way of doing it, it works. So taking nothing away from it, it works, we still use it. But for simple if statement like this, I think you can write your condition statement in one line. You can see this one, it uses about, we used about 5 lines, I think. 1 2 3 4 5, yes, about 5 lines, right? So I just want to show you now how to use an inline if statement, which I'm gonna use only one line basically. So let me just do this. what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna say system out int. Now what I'm gonna do inside, I'm gonna do my condition, which is this one. I'm gonna put my condition here. I've enclosed this condition inside brackets. Then so now an inline statement, basically it consists of three parts. The first part is the condition, and then if this condition is met, then you say question mark, then you're saying if this is met, show this value here. Then if the condition is not met, you put a colon here. This is your else part. Then you put the value here. So I'm just gonna remove this. So you can see I'm doing what I did previously, which I'm just using one line. Basically you can see only one line. So I'm gonna run it. So you can see here the player age is 15, the required age is 14. So this condition will be false, and then the program will show this part which says you are not allowed to play. Then I'm gonna run it. It still behaves the same as the traditional way. Then I'm gonna decrease this to 13. I'm gonna run it. There you go. Then it means this condition was met and it went inside this. It shows you this. So this is how you can use an inline if statement, especially if it is just a simple if statement that you just wanna check something and return a value. So this is not a complex one. It consists of the past and inline, the condition part, and then if this is met, then you display that, or you do something here, or you do something here. Then on my next video that I'm gonna post, then I'm gonna show you the advantage or the disadvantage of using an inline statement. I thank you.